Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add subtasks in Airtable. This is a really useful feature when you need to break down larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps, keeping everything organized in one place. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and navigate to airtable.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Airtable workspace where all your bases and tables are stored. Once you're on the home page, simply click on the data or base that you want to edit. This opens up the specific table where you'll be adding your subtasks. So make sure you're selecting the right one that contains the tasks you want to break down further. Now, look at the top of any column and you'll see a plus icon. Click on this icon to create a new field. A search bar will appear, and in that search bar type long text. This field type is perfect for subtasks because it allows you to add detailed information and formatting options that regular text fields don't support. Next, you'll want to name this new field. Type in subtask or whatever label makes sense for your workflow. Here's an important step. Make sure to enable the rich text formatting option. This feature is what allows you to add interactive elements like checklists, which we'll use for our subtasks. Once you've enabled that, click Create Field to finalize it. Now that your subtask field is created, drag it next to your main task column. This keeps everything visually organized and makes it easy to see your main tasks alongside their related subtasks at a glance. To start adding subtasks, click on the cell of the subtask field for any task. You'll notice a small expand icon appears. Click on this expand icon to open up a larger editing window which gives you more space to work with and makes the process much easier. In this expanded view, click on the text field. You'll see an icon beside that field, usually represented by formatting options. Click on that icon and from the menu that appears, select Checklist. This transforms your text field into an interactive checklist format perfect for tracking individual subtasks. Now you can add your subtask by typing it into the field. Once you've entered a subtask, you'll see a checkbox appear beside it. You can check this checkbox to mark the subtask as complete whenever you finish it. You can add as many subtasks as you need, and each one will have its own checkbox for easy tracking. And there you go, you've successfully added subtasks to your Airtable tasks. You can also expand that long text field by dragging the column wider, so you can see all your subtasks clearly without having to open the expanded view every time. This makes managing complex projects much more streamlined and organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.